Hi children, today we will learn using of this. This is used to point out the single nearest object. If we are supposed to tell our friends or mom uh, that this is my book, this is my pencil, this in the sense we are addressing an object, a single object. Here, first example, this is an engine. This is used for singular object, and we have to check whether the object is near to us or not. If the object is very near to us, then we can address this is an engine. Now we will see the another example. This is a book, this is a photo, this is an iron box, and last one, this is a toy. I think everybody having toys at home, books also at home. Now we'll go to the next topic. That is used to point out the single distance object away from us. It is not very near to us. For example, the moon is in the sky. It is not near to us, it is very far to us. Then we will address that is the moon. The bird is on the tree and it is very far to us. That is a bird. And again we'll go for third example. That is a hill. That is my house. And last one, that is an eagle. These are all are the examples of that. When the object is not near to us and if it is very far away, then we will use that to address the objects while we are in conversation with our friends, parents. Now we will see more examples. Read the below aloud. This is a doll. This is my doll. See, if we are using this, it is near to us. That is a cage. That is a lion's cage. That in the sense the object is very far to us. And we'll see the other example. Here we are seeing a blue shirt. This is a shirt. This we are using means the picture is very near with us. The object is very near with us. This is a shirt. This is my shirt. And again we'll go for another example. That is a rat. That is a rat. That rat is in the hole. That in the sense we are using that is the object. That means the rat is very far to us and we are addressing about the rat. This is a picture. This is a beautiful picture. This picture is beautiful. We can also say like this. Then this in the sense we are using, why we are using this? This means the picture is with us only. That is a monkey. That monkey is playing. That means the monkey is very far to us. That's why we are using that to address the monkey. That is a monkey. Now we will finally check. This is used to indicate something within one's range of vision. That means the object or a person who are very near to us. That is used to indicate something not within one's range of vision. Like it is not with us, it is very far away, object or a person. Now think around yourself, the objects placed. The phone Now you are studying in phone, you can use this is my phone. If the fan is on the ceiling, then it is very far away from us, then we will use that is a fan. That is a flower pot. This is a pencil. The pencil is with us. This is a book. The book is with us. And check yourself